Hey y'all, so I made a vegetable dip using the Pampered Chef Green Goddess seasoning mix. You're going to need a measuring cup, mayo. I used store-bought sour cream, the actual measuring cup that I ended up using. A mini spatula is my preferred choice, and a measuring spoon. Half cup of mayo. And then the sour cream, you're going to add a half cup of sour cream. And I just did 2 scoops just to make sure I had enough. So then next, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of the Green Goddess seasoning mix to the mayo and the sour cream. And it smells really green, but it's a special blend of herbs, onion, and garlic ground into a powder. So you're going to take your measuring spoon and measure out 2 tablespoons and put it into that mayo and sour cream mix. Then you're going to carefully fold it and mix it all together, and trust the process. It tastes really good. I've tried it with fries, raw veggies, even with fried fish, and it was so good. If you want to try this, link in my bio.